I'm Leanne Burnett, and I lived in Arizona, but now I live in Bocas del Toro, Panama. My problems began many years ago, diagnosed with arthritis just from all the activity and sports done over my life, so with my knees and my hips, and went to a normal orthopedist. I had a couple of surgeries for injuries, but basically the next step was waiting around for knee replacement, hip replacement. I had set a goal of keeping all my original body parts, so I didn't really want to do that, and we kind of came to the end of the line. But I did find a regenerative medicine person in the US. They use the stem cells from the abdomen. So I've done stem cells from the abdomen and PRP in both knees and both hips, and I got a lot of improvement. But this was maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and I noticed that improvement's starting to decline. So now that we're here in Panama, I know that you guys use the umbilical stem cells, and I wanted to try that because I know that they're more potent. Oh, because I've been increasing, the pain has been increasing. Before I got a lot of my mobility back, I was able to do activities again. But as the pain started coming back and I've had to stop walking and doing things, I was like, I want to catch this before I'm, at the bottom. So that's why I decided to do the procedure again. I did a lot of searching on the internet of the different places here that do it, and Regeneration Clinic seemed to be the most responsive, the most on the ball, and the less salesy. It's been great. Everybody's been very professional. We did a whole blood, what do you call it? We took the blood and blood analysis, very in-depth, very detailed, with a doctor here. Super nice. He spent a lot of time going through all the results and fine-tuning what supplements we're taking, which I thought was super helpful. So we've done that. We started the hormone replacement therapy, and now we're at the stem cell part of it. So today I just received the first intravenous stem cell treatment. So far so good on that. I personally have found the stem cells that I did in the United States that are less potent very helpful. So I would definitely encourage people to try the stem cell approach rather than, doing a hip replacement or other kind of surgeries. It's just, I don't know, it worked for me, so I'm definitely sold on it. Panama is an incredible country. We came the first time about 13 years ago and fell in love with it, and we would come back yearly. Then we bought a place and started spending more time here, and it is great. And there's not a lot of fighting and craziness. They actually have standards for immigration. So yeah, it's a very safe country. The people are wonderful. The culture's been a lot of fun to learn. And the differences in culture with the US and Panama are great. It's challenging, it makes you think differently, and you continue to grow even in the older years of your life. So it's wonderful. We love it. Highly recommend it. It's safe. I feel safer here than I do in the US.